simula pa lang ng campaign ko, I vowed na talaga magre-real talk lang ako. Win or lose, magre-real talk lang. So ito po ang real talk. This is my contribution to everybody sa ating political conversation. Wala po kayong narinig ngayon dyan na tao who meant what they said. Lahat po ito ay PR lamang. Do you really think the president, the former president, means it pagpapapatay siya ng mga senador? No? Lahat po ito is really just nagko-compete lang po sila lahat for your ears, for your attention dahil mahal po ang airtime. Kaya ang sa akin po, talagang tingnan ninyo ang history namin ng mga kumakandidato. Nothing more. I'm not asking for your votes, I'm just asking, suriin nyo na lang yung mga tao. Huwag na po kayo magpaloko sa mga ganyang PR. Luma na yan eh. Yung kay Pangulong Duterte, I was there. That was our proclamation. And very clearly, it was a joke. Kasi even the way he said it eh. But again, I'm not defending anyone. Pero very clearly, it was a joke. Patayin na lang natin. Parang ganon, you know? At sinabi niya pa nga, binawi niya pa na, pero wag na, kawawa naman eh. Okay, so done. Done na yon. Yung kay VP Sara, seems less like a joke, no? Hindi siya joke. But I do go with the argument that it is a conditional threat. Parang sinasabi niya na pag namatay ako, patayin niyo to. Sa pandinig po ng iba, hindi talaga maganda. Sa pandinig ng iba, sa akin kasi sanay na ako sa ganyan eh. Pero if I were her lawyer, and she is a lawyer, I would go with that argument that it's a conditional threat.